Well, weak opening coming in from the Asian markets as investors consider a raft of earnings from US technology heavyweights, a renewed rise in Treasury yields, and jump up in commodity prices. Indices dipped in Japan and were flat in Australia and South Korea. Nikkei was down plus around 0.5%, while Australian markets as well as the Kospi was flat in trade. If you look at the US equity markets, tepid results from Tesla and 3M did weigh on Wall Street on Tuesday, while the S&P 500 and Dow ended nearly flat as investors focused on wave of earnings reports from Microsoft, Alphabet and other corporate heavyweights that have helped the drive markets at an all-time high in recent time. Google parent Alphabet climbed more than 4% post-market, erasing its cash session decline after profit and revenue exceeded Wall Street expectations. Microsoft reversed again and dropped 3.5% after reporting revenue that did miss analyst expectations. Investors are tracking the outcome of the FOMC meeting scheduled on Wednesday. If you look at the 10-year yield, well, it has advanced nearly around 6 basis points to 1.62%. Dow was flat at 33,985, while the S&P was flat. Nasdaq was down plus around 0.3%. In Europe, the European stocks did end a shade lower on Tuesday as optimism over strong British earnings was offset by UBS disclosing a hit from dealing with US investment firm Archegos, while travel stocks did hit record high on hopes of post-COVID rebound. The pan-European STOXX 600 index did slip 0.1%, with investors holding off big bets ahead of the US Federal Reserve policy decision on Wednesday. UBS did fall 2% to a 2-month closing low as it took an unexpected $774 million hit from Archegos, overshadowing a forecast beat 14% rise in quarterly net profit. DAX and FTSE were down plus around 0.3% and 0.26% respectively, while CAC was flat in trade. WTI crude did rise 2.1% odd to $63 a barrel. Oil did rise after the OPEC group confirmed it would proceed with plans to add more barrels to the market despite a virus resurgence in some of the regions, including India, clouding the overall global demand outlook. The coalition raised its estimates for demand growth this year on Monday, while BP plc also pointed to signs of a robust recovery. If you look at the gold futures did fall 0.3% to $1,776 an ounce.